Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Styling with Wood Accents collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, guest host At Home with Lisa. Also hosting Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Donna Decor and more, Debbie Bubbles, and Dream with Caroline. Be sure to check out all of these channels and any other participating channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to get busy decorating. I'm going to start off with this really nice big wooden and marble spoon rest. Then I have a couple of really nice items for fall. I found this 2-pack of wonderful wooden trays at Ross. And I have a beautiful wooden pumpkin from Walmart. I'm going to layer the wood decorations in the background, starting off with this really big pizza cutting board. I'll add another light colored cutting board to the other side of the kitchen. Then in front of the large wooden cutting board, I'm just going to layer these beautiful pumpkin trays. The end of this counter will be the perfect place to add the wooden pumpkin. This pumpkin will add some brightness to my display. On this side, I have a beautiful little wooden frame from Kohl's with my new baby granddaughter's picture in it. This adorable little squirrel will brighten up this corner. This really cute pumpkin pot holder will be perfect to add a little bit of color. And now for our hint of orange on this side of the kitchen. The perfect little touch is a wonderful little jar of candy pumpkins. It only took just a couple of minutes to get my kitchen decorated with these wonderful wood tones for the new season of fall. It is so cozy, so warm, and so welcoming. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I have such nice tones of wood all combined together to make a nice, cozy fall look. I am so happy you are here. I had so much fun decorating with wood accents in this really fun collaboration. Feel free to join us at any time. We would love to have you. And a special thanks to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for organizing these really fun collaborations. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and be sure to check out all of the other participating channels listed below. I'll see you next time.